Hi everyone. I just wanted to do a quick video today regarding a new feature we've added to our app. It's a feature called right here under My Inventory, Products Price Resync feature. Basically, what this does is whatever items you've added to your website, if you want to go back and make any changes to the price, now instead of going to your products here and editing the prices one by one, you can actually do everything from within the app. So you don't have to change the prices individually, you can do it in bulk. So the first thing you can do is you set pricing rules. We have another video here in the tutorials that you can check about setting pricing rules. So here I have a couple of pricing rules that I've set up. And for this example, we'll do the $20 markup, which means every product, whatever the cost of the item is, it's going to mark up by $20. So if it's $10, it'll mark up, and the retail price will be $20, just for this example. So to use the tool, we go to My Inventory. So here we also have Sale Products Price Resync and Products Price Resync. This Sale Products, we also have a video regarding this. This is a feature that because every month we reduce the cost of the item for certain items, and those are the items under the sale category here. So if you've already added products to your website and now those products are on sale and they're reduced price, so if originally you added the item and it was $4.75 the cost of the item, and now it's $4.30, with this tool you can now use you can resync those items. So basically you can and again, we've done a video on this as well, so you can check a full tutorial on this. But basically it'll sync the new cost of the item, and you can change the retail price as well. So you can mark up the retail price or change the retail price, or just keep it with the current default set price also. So I would recommend checking the video regarding that as well. But this particular feature I'm talking about is this one, Price Products Resync, which basically means, let's say you've changed your mind, the items you've added to your website, now you want to change the retail price. So this is the feature we're going to use. Products Price Resync, click on that, proceed. So we've already set a pricing rule. So 20 markup dollar, which is basically again $20 plus whatever the cost of the item is. So here I can add it to a specific collection as well, if you want to just add it to items in specific collections, or I can apply it to all collections, so all of the items in that on the website that I've added using our app. So once I have that set, I'm going to go ahead and resync the price. And from here, this is going to continue to run. You can close this and then come back to it. It'll give you an update if it's complete or not. Okay, so the product price sync has been completed. So if you click on the button here, it'll tell you the process is done. So let's just check this item, for example. So this is 59692B. The cost of the item is $21.75. This is an item that's already added to our to the website. So this price, the retail price for this item, based on the pricing rule that we used, should be $41.75. So let's go check the item. And here you will see that it's updated to the 41.75. Actually, it's rounded up to 99, 41.99, and that's because the pricing rule that we created, I forgot to mention initially. I had noted it to round up to nearest 99. So whatever pricing rule I created for that $20 markup, I set it to round to nearest 99. That's why you saw it at that 0.99 cents. So that's the feature regarding our pricing update. A great feature, a lot of requests for it. If you check this video and still have any questions regarding this feature, please don't hesitate to contact us. We can be reached by email, live chat, and phone support. Thank you very much.